Hi, I have a tribute to my friend, Bryant. A year or so ago, I passed the Delta Society Pet Therapy Dog test. Little did I realize how my life would change. I started volunteering at Providence Hospital in the Pediatric Oncology Clinic. I was thankful I could love on these kids that were fighting this terrible disease. One day, several months ago, as I walked into the clinic, a young boy came over to me to introduce himself. He said his name was Bryant. I knew from his first pet that Bryant and I were going to be the best of friends. Even though he was 8 and I am 3 years old, we just clicked. He petted me with such skill and tenderness. As the weeks went by, I started to learn his name. Every time I heard Max, "Do you want to go see Bryant today?" I would run to the car and sit there waiting to go. Then when I rounded the corner at Providence, I couldn't wait to get out of the car hoping to see Bryant. Bryant asked me one day if I wanted to be with him while he had his chemo. I knew I was up for the challenge. If this young boy had the courage to go through chemo and other procedures, I sure could have helped him. It got so when I saw Bryant at the clinic, after a few minutes of play, he would say, "Okay, Max, let's go together and get our chemo." In the procedure room we would go. Bryant would hop up on the chair and I would hop up right next to him. I even got to help Bryant with his first MRI. As time went on, we became the best of friends. Bryant would walk me around and introduce me to other kids in the clinic and at the Children's Hospital at Providence. We took a short nap together in the chair once or twice. He always threw those Cheez-It treats just at the right spot so I would catch them. He taught me how to roll over with just the circle of his finger and to speak with him, he would ask. I knew Bryant loved John Deere tractors, so I had a John Deere scarf made to fit with his John Deere style. Isn't that what friends do? One of the things I love the most about Bryant is how patient and gentle he was with me. He would sit on the floor, pet me till I rolled over on my back and closed my eyes. A lot of the time we sat on the floor together and just loved on each other. Even though you went to heaven last week, dear friend, I want you to know I will never forget your name. I will never forget your smile and tender touch. Thank you for giving me the privilege of helping you. And thank you for teaching me how to help other kids as they fight this terrible cancer disease. I went to your funeral 12 years ago. I visited your grave site often. We will be together again soon. Best friends and companions forever. Love, Max. P.S. This is Max's mom, Judy. He has joined you in heaven. He will be on the lookout. I know you two will take care of each other.